Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make keto cheesecake brownies. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, for the filling, you're going to need 8 ounces of cream cheese, and you want that to be softened to room temperature. A 1/4 cup of granulated sugar substitute. I'm using Monkfruit. You could use whatever you like. 1 large egg. That's all for the filling. Now, for the brownies, you're going to need 3 ounces of some kind of low-carb or sugar-free chocolate chips. I'm using just the Kroger sugar-free chocolate chips. And how I measured out 3 ounces is I just took 6 tablespoons full. And they were, I mean, pretty good tablespoonfuls. Not anything light. And then you want 5 tablespoons of butter, 3 large eggs, another 1/2 cup of granulated sugar substitute. I'm using the Monkfruit again. A 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and then a 1/2 cup of some kind of flour substitute. I'm using Carbquik, but you could use the almond flour if you can use that. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 and then line an 8x8 baking dish with parchment paper and make sure to leave overhangs. All right, next we are going to go ahead and make our filling. So take your cream cheese, your sugar substitute, and your 1 egg, and we're going to beat that with an electric mixer until it's nice and smooth. So maybe about 2 minutes. All right, that looks nice and smooth to me. I just beat that on medium speed for about 2 minutes. So next we are going to add our chocolate chips to our butter, and we're just going to microwave that in 30-second increments until it's nice and smooth, stirring it in between each time. All right, that looks great. You just want to keep stirring it until it all comes together, and it should look like this. So now we're going to set that to the side to let it cool while we work on the rest of the batter. Okay, while the chocolate mixture is cooling, you want to go ahead and mix together our remaining eggs and our sugar substitute until it is nice and frothy. All right, that looks pretty frothy to me. That was about a minute on medium speed. So next I'm going to add in the cocoa powder and my Carbquik and just mix it until batter forms. All right, next we are going to go ahead and add in our melted chocolate and butter and beat that on low for 10 seconds. It's going to thicken to like a mousse-like consistency. All right, that looks and smells amazing. So I'm going to scrape down the sides with a spatula and pour 3/4 of this batter into my prepared pan. All right, that looks pretty good to me. I just went ahead and poured it in there and then smoothed it with my spatula. So now we are going to take our filling right here and just dollop it all over the brownies with a spoon. All right, all of my filling is dolloped on there. So next I am going to finish it off with pouring the rest of my batter over top. All right, all the rest of my batter is on there. Now I'm just going to take my spatula and smooth it all out in a swirled pattern. All right, that looks pretty good to me. So I'm going to get this into the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. All right, my brownies are out of the oven, and they are still jiggly, but they'll set up. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, there you go. But they will set up while they're cooling. So we're just going to let these cool completely before we slice them into pieces and see what they taste like. All right, my brownies are cooled off, so I just cut them. I was able to get 12. The recipe says you could get 16, but I thought those were too little, so I did 12. But you can see all the yummy filling there in the middle. So we will see what Taste Tester thinks. All right, we have a piece here for Taste Tester, so let's see what he thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't like, subscribe.
Bye.